Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel Aaron. If you are new here, hello and welcome. So today guys, I have a really exciting video for you. First off, I would just like to say thank you so much Janet Collection for sponsoring this video. They sent me this beautiful 613 hair and I will show you all what I did to get here. I show you the in-depth tutorial on how I got the wig to look like this. Yeah, it was pretty easy. I would say this is beginner friendly. This was my first time really installing a lace front that's actually glued all the way down all over, because normally I just take my lace fronts and just glue down the front. But today, baby, today we committed because this wig is giving. The wig is a 13x6 invisible lace frontal part, and this is natural virgin Remy human hair, and the lace is transparent Swiss lace and it's 100% hand tied. It has 3 combs in the cap and adjustable straps in the back. The cap size is medium and it did come pre-plucked, which I literally, y'all, I did not have to pluck my hairline at all. And it also came with baby hairs. Did just cut them a little bit shorter, but I did no plucking. Literally all I did was tone and tint the lace, and this hair is ready to go. So yeah, if you would like to see how I transformed this wig, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I got my Janet Collection wig here. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it with you guys. I will show you guys the products that they sent me to go along with the wig later. Here's the wig straight out of the box, baby. I had this. So this is the wig out of the box. As you can see, it's really yellow, so that is why we are going to be toning it today to kind of get rid of the yellow and make it more white. All right, so to tone the hair, I'm going in with the Shimmer Light shampoo, and I'm going ahead and pour it in the bucket here. I'm just gonna dump the whole thing because I feel like my wig needs it. Oh God. Mix it up, mix it up. Now I'm gonna take the wig and just submerge it into the purple shampoo. Oh shit, that shit is hot.
Supposed to be purple?
No.
What is it supposed to be?
Like an icy blonde.
It's going blonde.
Huh?
It's coming blonde.
Yeah. Let me just keep rinsing it.
Purple?
Damn, that turned quick, babe. I literally dropped it in and I swear.
Oh shit, they're about to say you ruined the hair.
I thought I was gonna leave it in for a little bit. It's so, yo, look at this wig. It turned so quick the minute I dropped it in the water. This is insane. So I'm just gonna give it one regular shampoo just to get rid of some of the purple. Alright guys, so here's the wig. I toned it with the purple shampoo like you saw. It did leave some purple streaks in the hair, but other than that, it came out really icy. It's definitely giving Storm. I wanted to give more Barbie, but it's okay. It's still gonna look bomb. So now, going with the Wella T35 toner and some Claro 30 developer and tint my lace so it just blends into my skin easier. When you're on tour, and what's in store? guys, it's been about 25 minutes or so, and I'm about ready to wash this off because I don't need it to be that dark. When you're on tour, oh my goodness, y'all, look at this wig. I was not planning to go this silver, but obviously you guys saw me watercolor this to get the yellow out, and girl, it got it out. So I think you know, the hair definitely took to the purple shampoo. I think for you guys at home, when trying this out, if you wanted to tone your hair and kind of get the yellow tinge out, definitely use less purple shampoo, because my water was potent with purple shampoo. So as soon as I dropped this wig into that into the tub, it like instantly took to it, instantly. And it's like I literally had to take it out, make sure everything was fully saturated so it wasn't blotchy, and as you guys saw, by the time I took it out, it was already done processing, which is so crazy. So far the hair is really soft, but I will say it is kind of thin, but I'm thinking to throw some curls in it so it would look full. It's so crazy. Alright guys, I'm back. So today is day 2. So yesterday you guys saw me prepping the wig in order for me to install it for you guys. Bring out the big boy because I know you guys are dying to see. First, we are going to slide down the wig cap. Damn, this is gonna be messing up my makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna start by cutting out my ears. Ooh, trying not to cut myself.
That's a life. iPhone got message from Vice. Either the head is so high, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friend. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homes, but I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't that half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm mad as if these things took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2000.
Alright y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting it out. So this wig cap isn't the best match, but it will do. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Esha Absolute Lace Wand, and this is the lace glue by the Esha collection, and it says to twist to get the product out. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see now, the product is coming to the top, this glue.
They don't care. Sad, but I'm laughing when that happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador cabin. I'm glad that it happened. I mean it. Between us, I think there's something special. And if you lose my
Alright, so it feels like it is getting tacky. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit more, just because I want my lace to be melted and laid, child. So it is definitely ready for application. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has 3 combs and adjustable straps at the bottom. So if you need it to be tighter, it can definitely be that. Then it also has lace back here, but kind of unnecessary, so I'll cut that later. Alright, so normally for this part, the girls use an elastic band to lay down the hair, but unfortunately I do not have that. I'm just going to use my silk scarf to lay down the lace. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes or so, and then we'll come back and cut the lace and then style the hair. Alright, so I'm back now, and let's go ahead and remove my scarf so we can cut the lace. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut some slits so I can work in sections.
I'll take my chances on the road. I'll take my chances on the road. I'll take my chances on the road.
So I'm loving how the lace melted into my skin. Just gonna add a little bit of foundation. Because this hair is white, I definitely don't want to overdo it because it will show on the hair. Alright, so to style my hair, I'm going to go in with this Bio Silk oil. And I'm only going to apply just like a penny size amount of oil into the hair. The hair honestly doesn't need anything, but just because I did tone it, wanted to give it some life back. Okay, that looks good. So now, see if this hot comb is ready. Yes, it's ready. Now we're gonna hot comb the hair to get it nice and flat. I think I want to put some big bouncy curls in there. Alright guys, so I just finished curling up this side of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera, and then when I come back, we will do the final touches. Alright guys, I am back and I finished styling my hair, and let me just say, I am in love. Like, look at this hair, guys. How freaking cute. I think I'm only gonna add some baby hairs right here on the side, just because I'm kind of like loving how it looks already without baby hairs. Alright guys, I am finally done with the wig, and what can I say? I think I'm certified. Is it giving arrogant Tay, honey? Like, this wig came out so good. Thank you so much to Janet Collection for sponsoring this video. If you guys enjoy hair videos like this, please be sure to hit that like, comment, share, subscribe button. Comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next. But I think we are done here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'll take my chances on the road. I'll take my chances on the road.